Okay, so it is day 4. We're getting on a roll now, and we're learning Python in the Solo Learn platform. Um, just as a reminder, I'm learning myself as I go along in these videos, so we're kind of learning together. Yesterday we learned about string operations, type conversion, and variables, so go check those videos out. And today we're doing in-place operators. So let's jump right in. In-place operators allow you to write code like x equals x plus 3 more concisely as x plus equals 3. The same thing is possible with other operators such as minus, multiplied by, divided by, and this division as well. X equals 2, print x 2, x plus equals 3, print x 5. Okay, so what's that's just saying is it's giving you an easier way to write these types of operations. It's just shortening it down to cut out the x. So let's go ahead and just kind of jump in here and play around with that a little bit. We'll take this out. So x equals 2, x plus equals 3. Now if we were to change the plus into a minus sign, that should be then x minus 3, which would then be -1, and that's what we get here, correct? And let's change x to 6, and if we were to do x divided by equals 3, that should give us, I believe, 2. Okay, and remember, it does change to a float because we're using the division. And if we do multiply by, that does give us 18. Okay, so that's really easy, pretty simple. Just a way to shorten out longer operations. So this right here is the same thing as writing that. So we're just basically shortening it down a bit. So that's helpful. That's probably really useful when you're writing a bunch of operations in a program. So let's continue. What is the output of this code? X equals 4, x multiplied by equals 3. So we're just doing x times 3, which would be 12. Okay. In-place operators. These operators can be used on types other than numbers as well, such as strings. Okay, x equals spam, print x, spam, x plus equals eggs, print x, spam, eggs. Okay, so it's the same thing, but you can use it with strings and other types other than just integers. Many other languages have special operators such as ++ as a shortcut for x plus equals 1. Python does not have these. Okay, so I guess in other coding languages it's a little bit different. Let's continue. What is the result of this code? X equals a, x times equals 3. So remember, since this is a string, we're going to print it out 3 times since we're multiplying it by 3. So that's just going to be 3 a's. Okay, and that is in-place operators.